I'm showing you how to use this VPN application here, like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. At the top, you have the Smart Connect option. You can see all the servers that you can use. So at the top here as well, you can see the free servers and the ones with the code icon. It's pretty much the subscription servers. So all you have to do is, let's say, for example, you're going to connect to Dallas. You just tap on the server that you want to connect to. We'll ask for connection request. Just tap on OK, and you'll be connected in no time. As well, you can go at the code icon at the top here to pretty much get your subscription. And as you can see here, the prices. Their weekly price is pretty much $77. You do get a 3 days free trial of their pro feature, so you can go ahead and test out their premium subscription servers and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very, very easy application to use. Decent server, not gonna lie. And with all that, guys, if I missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.